Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting every panel and the handline so you know what to fix first. Look for snapped braid versus frayed mesh because repair technique differs. Once done, dry the net to prevent mildew and make stitches hold. Remove old sinkers that rust or slide loose, and cut away small snag tangles carefully to avoid enlarging tears. Make sure you have a suture needle and heavy nylon thread. Those choices control tension and longevity of the repair. You now perform the main repairs. Start with mesh tiers by aligning edges and sewing with a netting needle, alternating knots to distribute load. This prevents new rips. For the handline, splice by tapering the strands and burying them into the braid, then whip the splice so it won't slip under tension. Reinstall sinkers evenly. Balance is why your net will open. Use stainless crimps or clips and test by hand-throwing lightly to confirm the cast profile before finishing. You finish by trimming stray thread and sealing whipping points with a dab of marine glue or heat to prevent unraveling. This is why small finishes matter. Then test the net in shallow water. Watch how it opens, sinks, and how sinkers release. If it doesn't open fully or twists mid-cast, equalize sinker spacing and inspect radial ties for uneven length. If problems persist, recheck splices and replace any weakened mesh. Those hidden weak spots cause repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.